Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So we just finished talking about Python, learning the basics, super basics of Python, and now we're going to learn about SQL. Now what is SQL? SQL is a database language that uses in a lot of stuff, your everyday life almost. So these things are called a server. Now this is where your SQL or your database stores. So let's say you go to the hospital, you do your blood work. The guy or the person, when they put your blood work information, it goes automatically to the server. Then from this server, it goes back to the basically to the hospital, and then they print it, and then they send it back to you. Sorry. So this is how your SQL server works. Now let's say your bank. Let's say this is the server for the bank. Now all the servers are not connected. Let's say this is like RBC Bank of your location. You go here, and this is the ATM. You withdraw it. It goes back to your server, the ATM machine. Now it goes to the whole another servers that connects all the servers together. Tells the SQL that you withdraw this, sends the amount, and then sends it back to how much amount you have, and you get it back. So learning SQL, it's a pretty popular language for database. You need to know SQL. It's pretty good, and you need to understand it now. So I'm gonna explain on this video how to install it. This is just gonna be installed in SQL. So now open up your Google and search on for this. Install SQL. And you want to scroll down, and SQL there's different ones, but let me see what is the most popular database languages. Standard query, yes, SQL, but there's different ones, there's different versions. But now today we're going to use the Microsoft one, which is pretty popular, and basically all the companies use this. So we're just going to go with Express. Just go ahead and download it, and then you see exe file. Just click it on it and just wait for it to download. And here you have three options. Now you can go custom, download media, don't even think about it, but because you have to have the media to kind of import it. But you have custom and basics, so just go with basics, accept, install, and just wait for it to install. And also I'm going to talk about a few things after this, is because you might run into some issues, and we're going to prevent from you to run into those issues. So I'm just going to pause the video. When it's installed, I'll let you guys know. So now I have installed it here. Oh, what happened? Okay, I guess it's because I already installed it. So because I already installed it, that's why maybe. But after installing it, you will get a few things in here. What you want to do is say, after going here, you want to say, let's do this. What you want to do, just go ahead. Oh, that's my actual computer. What you want to do is just go install in center. Yes, do you want to allow it? After, you want to go to your taskbar and search SQL Server installation server, and you want to go in installation and say new SQL installation and install. Yeah. Actually no, I'm pretty sure it's the second one. Yes, I believe it's the second one. No, it's not the second one. Sorry guys. Pretty sure it's this one. If it's not this, what we can do is go and say install SSMS. Now in here is going to say download SQL Server Manager. After installing that, you can come here and say free download whatever Server Manager, and you can just press this, download SSMS. Now this is going to be inside. So far you just installed your SQL. Now you're installing SMS, which is going to run that SQL. So that's the thing. Now that we run it, it's gonna hit install. And the reason for me it didn't work is because I already had it in my system before. so that's why it didn't work. But for you, it should work perfectly fine. And then just go to your browser and say download SMS. Now I'm gonna wait for this to finish, then I'll let you guys know again. Okay, now so we have successfully installed our SQL. So now just go ahead and press close. Now if you go into your search bar, you will see this, or you can say server manager, and you will see it. But either way, for me, it's here. Now what I recommend you to do is right click on it and go to more and open file location and just drag and drop it to your desktop. It will be so much easier, then you won't have to look for it. Now go ahead and run this for me and open this up. Now in here you will see that it's not showing anything for me. What you can do, and this might be not the problem case for you, but what you can actually do is go ahead and type in SQL server configuration. Press yes. Now you'll have these servers that are running inside your computer. So go ahead and press this, and you should come right now. But if it doesn't, I'm just gonna close this again. I'll open it one more time again. But make sure if it doesn't show, and make sure these are actually starting. So the first three should be starting, and whatever you can start. And typically this is how you're gonna work. So basically this is how you connect with an actual server in future. And so right now it's not showing, so I gotta figure this out. So I gotta go server name, maybe copy this and paste it here, connect to it. Hopefully that will work. Yeah, it doesn't seem it's gonna work, so I think I messed up in somewhere. And again, you're not gonna have these troubles. It's just me, and the reason I say it's just me is because I wanted to re-download it for this video. But if you go to database engines and click here, you'll find this. So hopefully this is it, which it won't let me again. So let's see. SS01. Okay, so if I go back here to SS01, which is this, it's saying it stopped and it's not letting me run it. So typically these are the stuff that you're going to be doing. So I want to say local system. Let's apply this. Oh wow, I'm not okay, let's see. S1 DCTP disabled. Why is it disabled, guys? Let's enable this. Any changes made instead of how they want to get effect. Okay, let's enable this. Let's go back here. Let's go properties, and I want to browse to our test one. So now if I go here, hopefully it will work. So if I just go apply and permit it. Again, you're not gonna have any of these trouble. It's just gonna be me, and the reason, like I said, is because I wanted to restart it, but now thinking about it, I think that was a bad idea. And what the problem is that it's not showing others. So yeah, it's only showing these two that it can't be turned on. It's not showing the. Actually, no, it shows this one and this one. Okay, you know what? Let me stop this, because this is it, right? Scale RDT. So yeah, let's stop this and stop this too. So typically this is what you're gonna be doing as a server administrator every single day, but this is just like this smallest part where you will be actually connecting these. So what happens, let's say this is the bank, and let's say these go down. and obviously the bank there's going to be 100 more. And if these go down, your job is down too. Let's go to our Azure database engine. I don't know why it's not showing. It should be showing. If it doesn't show, then you might have to create a new server. Yes, so it's not showing. So I might have to create a new server. So if you want to create your own server, what you can do is go server configuration. Can we open one? No. But what I want to know is why can I not open this? Let me figure this out. I want to let you guys know. So guys, took me 2 minutes. I figured out what the problem was. It was the automatic start. So I put it on manual start and manual turn off, but I'll show you guys with this one in a minute. Because you might, I was saying there's a small chance you might come to this issue. So this is good to actually know. Oh my god, so many. I was doing something on this computer, but what you can actually do, I just let this load because this isn't my actual computer. Oh, the request failed. Why did it fail? Let's just wait for this to basically get turned on. Okay, after request is failed, so let's go to properties again. Let's try with this one. Maybe this one will work. And if I go to advanced error reporting, so this is for error reporting, but server, this is what we want. Start mode disabled. It should be automatic. And actually no, let's set this to manual and let's say okay. And now let's see if I can start this one up. And if we can start either of these out, I can just show you guys the simple things. But I mean, it's good that this thing happens, so it is because I can it's cool let you guys know that you might actually, not might actually, 100% you're gonna face this problem. Also, you can link your SQL with your Azure too, but you have to pay for that. So, but I'm pretty sure this one's not gonna work either. So. Yeah, the request against servers did not respond in a timely fashion. Content. Okay, so let's see what's happening here. So let's close our SQL again, and let's turn it back on. This Windows is not. Okay, so let's go to our right here. Those authentication. Let's see. I mean, it was turned on automatic. So yeah, the problem was that it wasn't turned on automatically. So there we go. So now you're connected to your SQL. So now if I go back here, it's actually running right now, and right here. So it's running right now. And what you can actually do is it running? Yeah, it's running. So what you can do is right click on here on your database, and you can, let's say, yeah, I want to make a company name. You say okay, and you go new query. Then this is where you put your new commands on and run it to your desk. So I'll talk about that in the next video, but this video was just for us. And if you want to delete it, yeah, I deleted. Make sure you check this. This was just how to install SQL. So thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next video.